Hello everybody, welcome to our first video for YouTube. Today we're going to be using a Spyder carbide tip hole saw kit. Never seen nothing like it, but it worked like crazy on the first one. Drill the first hole, a little off. Actually it wasn't. So we just got to move it up to make another one. This is half inch natural stone travertine. And we didn't know if it would go through it, but the first one ate it like butter. So we're going to show you real quick how the second one's going to go, how this Spyder carbide tip hole saw works.
We have an existing hole that was for a clawfoot tub, and we've removed the clawfoot tub, and we're putting a bathtub with a shower and tile walls in, so that's why we're having to drill a new hole.
And here's our helper, Rio. Rio, can you say hey to everybody?
Rio, say hi to everyone.
Hey, baby girl.
All right.
That's Rio.
Say hi.
She's our shapoodle.
Okay. All right.
All right.
Come on, Rio. Let's get out of there. All right.
And we're using a Dewalt cordless drill with this. Used it the first time and it ate it like butter. We're going to try it again.
Come on, Rio, out.
So,
we do recommend that you wear safety goggles when you're doing this. He does have his safety glasses on, which are his seeing glasses, but they are safety glasses as well. Rio, come.
Rio, move.
Come, Rio.
Oh, go. All right. Can you see
it? And go, Dad.
All right. We're going to stay, like I say, it's a cordless drill. And there it is.
We're through the natural stone
Half
in
inch.
less than a minute. Well, a little over a minute.
Shot through there. Next thing to do, load your Spyder bit back on. Make sure it's tight. It's not even hot. Totally amazing. Now we're going to go through the second part, which is just the board.
The Dewalt, well, it'll be hardibacker and then 3/4 inch of Antec.
And like I say, this is a second drilling of this thing with a cordless drill, same battery.
I don't think you're tight enough, Dad.
Rookie. With the hardibacker.
We're in the wood now.
Down in the 3/4 inch Advantech. There it went. So if you guys are going to drill tile stone, Spyder, get it.